Despite the problems COVID caused, there were still some highlights at Crofton to look back at. A glorious spring day sees Crofton volunteers busily at work in the ground, fixing fences, and a clip and trim. Inside, the pumping station is just as busy, with essential safety checks on the engines. Not one of the best jobs perhaps. The removal of a protective layer of grease, used to prevent any rust forming during the damp winter month. An exciting time in May, as Crofton reopens for the first time to the public. There's an air of anticipation, as our first visitors of the year start to arrive. An early morning in June, as preparations begin to light the boiler. It's the first time in 2 years. The boiler has been slowly warmed up, ready for an official boiler inspection and a steam test. After a successful boiler test, steam valves are open. At last, there are signs of movement. And the engine comes alive after 2 years. From a well 40 feet below, the water flows again and begins its journey back to the summit level of the canal. The preserved Honey Street clock chimes in the start of the first public steaming weekend. Everyone has been looking forward to this moment for so long. Crofton volunteers gather for a day of training. They have an opportunity to experience different roles at the station, from learning about the boiler to finding out more about the smaller engines, and have a go at driving a beam engine. And to get down and dirty, firing the boiler.
I think I'm doing all right. I've got excellent teachers and they're very patient with me and I enjoy doing it. I really do.
Let's hope that 2022 will be even more fun.